Welcome to another edition of Fridays with Fred. My name is Fred Said. Welcome to my home. We thought it'd be awesome to be able to shoot on location at my house because we're going to talk about floor plans today. And I get this question asked all the time. They say, Fred, how come there's a living room, there's a dining room, there's a kitchen, and there's a family room? The majority of the time, Fred, we don't even spend time in the living room. We just put furniture there, and if we happen to have guests and happen to have a party, we'll use it. What you have to realize is in Southern California, the majority of the floor plans around detached homes, primarily, were built around kitchens, family rooms, dining rooms, and living rooms. Yet, as the homes have been built after the year 2000, a lot of the new builders have gone after the following. You have a kitchen that opens directly into a family room, which they also call a great room, and at that point, you also have some sort of a nook. So what they've done is they've gone from all the separate rooms of dining, living, family, kitchen, and now they literally just have kitchen and one big great room and maybe a formal dining room depending on it, but they've got rid of the living room concept. So it depends on your cup of tea, so to say. It depends on what kind of floor plan you want for your home. At the end of the day, I don't believe one way or another it drastically affects resale value because people are starting to realize that, hey, the older traditional homes built in the 70s, 80s, and 90s have the rooms that are spread apart, and a lot of the new builders in SoCal have gone towards the great room feel. Either way, it's okay, and like I said, it just depends on your preference and your desirability of the floor plan. But any questions about floor plans in Southern California, we have access to all the floor plans in SoCal, so you can see everything before you even see the actual home. You can reach us 7 days a week at 1-800-921-9231. To see all the properties for sale and for lease in all of Southern California, go to fredsaidgroup.com and tune in next week for another amazing edition of Fridays with Fred. Why? Because that's what Fred said.